As my soul, I want to help financially heal the world. And so I'm creating platforms to be able to do that. And it's about just design the life that you really want to create. And I don't care what age or what your financial circumstances today, I guarantee you can create anything that you desire from this point forward. You just have to align to yourself.
It's about getting aligned. I do mention that in all aspects of our mental health and well-being, whatever we say and do, we should be aligned with it. When we're aligned with what we're doing and what we're saying, whether it's about money, whether it's about our relationships, whether it's about the jobs we're doing, when we're aligned, then everything is great. We're doing what we're supposed to be doing. But when we're not aligned, then it's just hard work. We have a hard time getting up in the morning to go to work. We have a hard time being around the people we don't want to be around because we're not aligned. So focusing on that. Well, this was a great conversation. Can you tell us a little bit about where people can find you and learn more about you and talk about your book?
Yeah, absolutely. You can certainly join me at juliemurphy.com. I have an online course that it's called Impact Your Life Now. And it's a 6-week course where you get me live twice a week and also all these assignments and downloads. And I think there's like 54 video lessons that I've done throughout the course. Also, I have 3 books that I've written. The first one is The Emotion Behind Money, Building Wealth from the Inside Out. Awaken Your Wealth, which you can see Awaken Your Wealth behind me, as well as Your 4 Spiritual Laws of Money. Those can all be found on Amazon, and certainly I'm on YouTube, Julie Murphy, Awaken with Julie on Instagram, and also Facebook, my author page under Julie Murphy. And so lots of places to reach me, and it's all about, for some reason I chose as my soul, I want to help financially heal the world. And so I'm creating platforms to be able to do that so that everyone can feel a little bit more freedom in their life.
Yes, it's a great topic to address because there is a lot of financial insecurity and instability, and there is a lot of people struggling right now. And it's a mindset thing. It's not about lack. It's not about what's happening outside of us. It's about working on building our mind and our mindset, and as well as connecting our hearts energetically to attracting more abundance in every way, not just financially in our lives.
100%. Totally agree.
Yeah.
Do you want to experience free coaching based on my 25 plus years as being a financial planner and ask me any question that you want to ask me to help you get past that hurdle in your financial world? I run these free workshops every other month to start to open you up, to start to help you get to this next place. The information for my free workshop, click the link below and register, and I'll see you on the next workshop.